Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features and a fair price. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. You are going to love the 2013 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with the fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.